All right. This is just a continuation, actually, of day 2. Same concept, just a little bit more practice, a little bit more in depth. Okay, so we're going to write the name of the angle pair, the complementary linear pair, vertical, and the relationship. Are they equal? Do they add to 90 or add to 180? This is very key. You must say add to. You can't just say 90 and 180. Then you're going to write the equation, define x, then find each angle. Okay? And decide if they make sense. So, first off, number 1, we have 2 angles here. We have this angle here. There are no letters, but we have this angle and this angle. What do? They are forming a straight line. Okay? So therefore, we're going to call them a linear pair. They add up, must write this part, to 180 degrees. Straight line. And now we're going to solve. 14 plus x plus 3x plus 2 equals 180. And all we're going to do is combine like terms. So 14 plus 2 and x plus 3x. So that's 4x plus 16 equals 180. Now we're going to subtract 16 from 180, from both sides actually, and get 4x equals 164. Then we're going to divide by 4 and find out that x is 41. Now that's not 41 degrees, it's just x is 41. And now we're going to plot 41 in here and here. So 41 plus 14 is 55 degrees. And 3 times 41 plus 2 is 125 degrees. Well, first off, they add up to 180. And the 125 is obtuse, and the 55 is acute. So we're going to say yes, that makes sense. Easy enough. Same thing. These 2 angles here. Okay, board's going to be goofy. We have this angle here and this angle here. They are opposite each other in the x, which means they are vertical, which means they are equal to each other, or congruent. And then we're just going to set up the equation. 4x plus 3 equals 35. Minus 3, 4x equals 32. Divide by 4, x is 8. So we're going to plop in 8 right here, and we're going to get 35. Those both look like acute angles. They are equal to each other, so yes, makes sense. Remember, hit pause if you need to, anytime. Go back and play back anything you need also. All right, so what do we notice on this one? What we notice here is we have this 90-degree angle right here. Okay, so go back to the thing I told you in the previous notes. C comes before S, 90 comes before 180. So 90-degree angles are complementary. So we're going to write complementary. And then we're going to say, remember, very important here, add up to 90 degrees. You must have this part. And then you can't just say 90. Now we're going to do the algebra. 4x plus 5 plus 5 plus 6x, part plus part equals whole. Same concept again. 4x plus 6x is 11x. 5 plus 5 is 10. We're going to subtract 10. And I realize I just made a mistake here. 6x plus 4x is 10x. Hopefully some of you are already watching this and saying, Gilbert, you screwed up. 10x. I'm going to subtract 10 now and get 10x equals 80. And then when I divide by 10, I'm going to get x equals 8. So now I'm going to plop in 8 here and 8 here. Substitute. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 5 is 37. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 plus 5 is 53. Okay, well, do those two add up to 90? Yes, they do. Are they both a cube? Yes, they are. Is the one on the left slightly bigger than the one on the right? Yes, it is. Makes sense. Number 4, same concept here. Okay? We have this angle here. We have this angle here. What are they forming? A straight line. So, we have a linear pair that add up to 180. Again, must have this. And now we just do the math. 2 plus 3x plus x plus 2 equals 180. Oh, I forgot to put supplementary here. Well, we said linear pair. So remember, this is the same thing. Supplementary. Okay? So 3x plus x is 4x. I did it right this time. 2 plus 2 is also 4 equals 180. I'm going to subtract 4 and get 176. And then I'm going to divide 176 by 4 and get 44. Now we're going to plop 44 in right here, plus 2, and get 46. That is acute. Makes sense. We're going to plop in 44 right here. 44 times 3 is 132, plus 2 is 134. That's obtuse. That makes sense. And if you add those two together, they make 180. So it all makes sense. And that's it.